There are 3 antenna wires that needs to be connected: power, ground and signal input. Let's begin by running the wires along the dashboard and radio compartment. First, pick the antenna's power wire and connect it to the ACC or battery wire of radio. In this video, we are going to connect it to the ACC wire. Then wrap the wires with wire tape to prevent electric shock. Second, pick the antenna's ground wire, and connect it to the radio's ground cable. Then wrap them up with the wire tape too. Before connecting the last signal input wire, make sure to reconnect the radio's power cable and RCA or speaker cable back to the radio. Finally, connect the radio antenna's signal input wire to the radio. Then test the connection by powering up the car ignition. See next video for the final step, where you need to reassemble all the parts back into one piece.